Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the ADX weighted moving average. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the ADX weighted moving average. Before we do though, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So, to date, we have tested 304 indicators, and out of those 304 indicators, 121 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 121 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Okay, so today's indicator is the ADX weighted moving average. You can see it here on screen. It is the blue line here. And so in the past, we have tested quite a few different moving averages. We did a moving average head-to-head test quite a ways back on the channel where we tested the vast majority of the most commonly known moving averages. But of course, there will be moving averages that we haven't heard of before or ones that aren't very common that we'll run across as we are working our way through the indicator list. And as we do that, we put those moving averages to the test just like we did the last one. Now, in this particular case, it is, let's see. So let's go ahead and let's change this to 30 because when we did the moving average test, each moving average that we have tested, except for a small few, we have tested it on the 30 period. And so basically what we are looking for is a price action break of the moving average. So when price breaks up above, that is going to be a long signal. When price breaks down below, that's going to be a short signal. And that's how we will be testing it today. Let's go ahead and get on with it and see what we can get out of this indicator. All right, so we get the first cross. Whoops, not the right line there. Let's try that again. There we go. That's what we're looking for. So we get the first cross right here on that particular bar. Let's check this out. Measure it down here. Looks like we were barely able to squeeze out the take profit on that one. Then we get across to the upside back over here. Let's check this one here. Looks like same deal. We were able to squeeze out take profit on that one as well. All right, then we get another break to the downside here. And once again, it does appear as though, yep, we definitely got to take profit. So far, so good. We then get a break to the upside right here. And again, we get to take profit. So we're moving along rather nicely. Here is a short, but unfortunately, that one would not have worked out for us. We would have got stopped out as it immediately came back up across to the upside. Let's go ahead and play this one out and see. That one did get us to take profit. All right. Not too bad. Not too bad. Let's see here. So we get a short right there on that one. That one would have gotten stopped out though. Then along there also would have gotten stopped out. Then a short here. Once again stopped out. Then another long there. And that one again stopped out. So a nasty little cluster of losing trades that we'd have taken right there due to a consolidating choppy market. Excuse me. Let's go ahead and continue on with it here. Looks like we get, yeah, so in this particular one right here, we actually get a jump of the moving average line. And this happens from time to time when price opens from one week to the next. So you see this one right here doesn't look like, let's see, double check here. So the high, or actually the close of this one is 1.9203. And if you look at the coordinates of the moving average over here, you can see that it was at 1.9204. So you can see that the bar did not actually close above, but then on the next bar, which would have been the following week, the open of the next following week, that it actually opened a little high, gap up, and then it came down and dropped down below the moving average right there. That one would have gotten us stopped out. Following along right here, we would have taken along there, gotten stopped out on that one as well. And short right there, once again stopped out. Not doing so great now, but don't lose hope. It's definitely not over yet. So let's see, 1.9249. So that one there did cross up above, and that would have been a take profit winning trade. All right, so I'm going to cut some of the video out here. That way it doesn't get too long. I'll pick this up when we get a little bit closer to the end of the year. All right, so we are almost to the end of the year now. Let's go ahead and wrap up these last couple signals here. See long there, that one would have gotten stopped out. Didn't quite make it to take profit. We didn't pick up a short right there. That one did get us to take profit. Let's go ahead and play it out a little bit more, and that puts us at the end of the year. All right, so now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in really excelling your Forex trading knowledge or just trading in general, join our Discord server. On our Discord server, we have a Patreon only channel. If you join our Patreon, then you'll have access to the Patreon only channel. In that channel, we have tons of advanced knowledge that the admins give, that advice that we provide. We have a list of most of the winning indicators for the MT platforms also on there that one of our admins, Jay, has found for us. The admins and some of the other members, just regular members, post regular trade ideas almost on a daily basis, really giving you the ideal market setups for you to take or dial in trading strategies or market conditions that you should be taking trades on to really grow an account and profit nicely from. Just today, one of the members on there actually posted a screenshot of a $400 trade that they had taken. Very, very nice trade, and said that it was all due to the channel there. So I highly recommend that if you are really interested in getting a foothold and excelling your Forex trading knowledge really quickly, that is going to be the best way to go. So check that out. It is well worth it. All right, back to the indicator at hand. Let's zoom in on this a little bit here. Get everything kind of scrunched in over here like this. There we go. All right, so let's count this out here and see what we get out of it here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28. So we have 28 trades or signals altogether. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. 13 winning trades. And so unfortunately, that is not going to meet the 60% criteria. So this one fell victim to the same problem that most single line kind of entry indicators have, or I guess I should say single line price action entry indicators. And that is when you hit a choppy market, when you hit consolidation, they just get torn to pieces really, really quickly. And so this is why I'm not a fan of using baselines, as you would call them, because most people think of a baseline as a moving average or a single line on the chart that interacts with price action that then tells them when they should be entering or exiting. Well, I guess technically entering the trade. And then they use other confirmations generally to go with it, but a lot of people don't. They use just a single baseline, a single line indicator that interacts with price action to determine their entries, and it is just in my opinion not the way to go. There are far better ways of doing it that will not get you chopped in and out of the market like crazy when it comes to consolidation. So this one's going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.